Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 974 in a row. So Bitcoin back above 50K, looking pretty strong in my opinion. Up over 2% today, up over 20% on the past week, about dead even over the past month, so a nice recovery there, and up 368% over the past year, so up over 1% a day. Let's scroll down here, take a look at the news for today. Lightning Network now houses over 3,000 Bitcoin. So the Lightning Network is a pretty big deal as far as payments go for Bitcoin. It's basically like another layer on the Bitcoin network that makes Bitcoin much more usable, especially for like peer-to-peer payments, microtransactions, and things of that sort. It's kind of all I see for today. Bitcoin owned 0.09047 You can see I've been buying $1 every single day there under activity. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next. It's going to do my Face ID and tap confirm. Just like that, we purchased one more dollar of Bitcoin. Tap done. Scroll down here, my new balance is 0.0904934, up over $4,500 of Bitcoin in my balance now. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,537, 4537 divided by 974 days equals a 4.65x on my investment. So doing very well here using the dollar cost average method. And so far with Bitcoin throughout history, if you just use the dollar cost average method, you've been very successful. So it's a proven method that has worked for a long time. There's no guarantees, but it's one of the best ways to get in or out of any asset in the least risky way possible. That'll do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.